Well, before November comes to an end, we want to bring attention to National Diabetes Month. With millions of Americans living with type 1 or type 2 diabetes, it's important to raise awareness about the disease. Joining us now with some good things to keep in mind is Colleen Cutliff from Pendulum Therapeutics. Thank you so much for joining us. How are you?
Hi, great. Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Of course. So approximately how many people in the U.S. are living with diabetes?
Well, not many people realize how prevalent diabetes is. There are actually 120 million people in the United States that have either diabetes or prediabetes. So that means if you're in a room and you look to your left and you look to your right, one of the three of you likely has prediabetes or diabetes.
Wow. So what's the latest research that's showing microbiomes play a big role? And explain what microbiomes are.
Microbiome is just a fancy word for all your gut bugs. And what we're really learning over the last decade or so is that it's not just about the foods that you eat, but it's about the microbes in your gut that digest those foods. So over this Thanksgiving holiday, many people probably had Thanksgiving meals, which included a lot of sugars and fatty foods. And it's not just about the foods that you're eating, but if you have the right gut microbes, they can help you digest that food and digest those sugars much better. And when it comes to diabetes, if you have the wrong gut bugs, they are actually not helping you at all with digesting those foods. So there is hope, though, that you can get the right bugs in you.
So what do we need to know about the importance of gut health, getting the right bugs in there, and managing diabetes?
The important thing to know is that there is new research coming out showing that you can actually get yourself the right bugs in there that will help you manage diabetes. And our company, Pendulum, has created the world's first medical probiotic, which is clinically shown to lower A1C and blood glucose spikes. And it's really a probiotic that you can take daily that helps your body metabolize those sugars that you're eating.
Wow. Okay, so that's the solution that Pendulum is offering. We hear you have Cyber Monday deals on that.
We do. To help everybody get jump started here, we're offering a deal using the code FOX25. You can get a discount off your first bottle.
Okay. All right, and I believe we'll have some information to pull up on screen right now with that. But thank you so much, Colleen, for joining us this morning. That was very eye-opening, for sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.